Hello, Gadiel. Today is August 11th of 2020. Our objective is going to be to define and review the word occupation and introduce various occupations. Our guiding question is, what is an occupation? Our to-do now will be, what job would you like to be in the future? And assign yourself. Camera on, mic on mute, and ready to learn. Do now. What job would you like to be in the future? Occupations. What is an occupation? An occupation, it is a person's role in society. More specifically, a job. Today, we are going to learn about occupations in these fields: automotive, building, and clerical. First, we have automotive. An occupation in automotive is auto mechanics. Auto mechanics are professionals trained to fix various kinds of vehicles. Another occupation in automotive is a car salesman. A car salesman assists customers in the purchase of automobiles or cars. Next up, we have building. An occupation in building is a civil engineer. A civil engineer designs bridges, roads, tunnels, dams, and sewer systems. Another occupation in building is an electrician. An electrician brings electricity into residences and businesses. Our last occupational field is clerical. An occupation is medical biller. A medical biller ensures that the right person or company is billed or paid. Another occupation in the clerical field is the administrative assistant. The administrative assistant schedules appointments, planned meetings, and organize file systems. Now let's get ready to do our exit ticket. Question number 1. What is an occupation? Good job. An occupation is a job. Question number 2. What is one occupational field we talked about today? Automotive, mom, or cookies? Good job. Automotive. Question number 3. What is this job called in the picture? A dog, a car salesman, or woods? Excellent! It is a car salesman. Question number 4. A civil engineer builds cars, bridges, or ponies? Awesome. A civil engineer builds bridges. Well done. We are finished with this lesson. See you tomorrow, Gabriel.